Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy formulas without errors in Google Sheets. So copying formulas in Google Sheets can sometimes result in errors if cell references or dependencies break. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy formulas without errors and make sure that everything works as expected. So the first one, you can use absolute and relative references correctly. The relative references you can adjust automatically when copied to another cell, such as A1 or A16, B16, and others. And you can also use absolute references using the dollar sign. You can write like this dollars, and then for example, I'm going to write A16, so you need to write A dollars again and click on 16 just like this. You can also use mixed reference such as this one A1, or you can also write it like this A dollar sign and 1 like this. So you can use absolute references like this if the formula depends on a specific cell that shouldn't change when copied. So you can use it like this. So when it is copied, it remains fixed. The second one, you can use if error to handle errors. You can use this formula. So if your formula might generate errors when copied, you can write it in if error functions to handle potential issue gracefully. And the third one, you can copy paste formulas without changing references. So when copying formulas to another location, you can ensure that the references stay intact by following the steps. So you can just select the cell with the formula you want to copy, and then you can press Ctrl plus C to copy, and then go to the destination cell, and you can paste the formula you can using Ctrl plus C plus V, or you can also just use this place spatial. This one you can use the values only. And the next one, you can also use the copy without errors trick. So to avoid copying errors when dragging on or filling formulas, you can highlight only the correct range that will ensure you copy formulas to rows or columns that match the data range. And you can also use the fill handle cautiously. So click and drag the small dot in here in the bottom right corner of the cell to fill the formula into adjacent cells. You can stop at the appropriate range to avoid unnecessary calculation in blank cells, which can cause errors. And the last one, you can copy formula as text temporarily. So if you need to move a formula to another sheet or area without breaking reference, you can double click on the formula or press F2 to enter the formula editing mode and copy the formula as plain text. So you can just go like this, you can copy it, or you can just double click. So you can just this one, copy the one at the top as plain text, and then paste the formula as text into a new cell location and adjust the references manually if needed, and then press on enter. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.